7. Alright, so I got my GoPro Hero 7 Black in. I also bought the GoPro Shorty. This is a Shorty stick. It extends out into a little tripod, which is really sweet. This is something that I wanted. Is this tripod worth $40? Heck no. But let's get into the Hero Black 7. The Hero 7 Black GoPro. It's the latest one. It's going to run you $3.99. You don't have to get this Shorty stick, but I wanted it. I could have gotten any other tripod stick. But sometimes I like to keep, you know, when I plan on keeping something, I want to get just the brand that goes together, make sure everything works well. And that's what I wanted to do for this GoPro Hero 7 Black. There's 3 different versions. Obviously, they got the one that starts at $199 and $299, and then this one is $399, like I said. Now, they all offer something different. Like, this one offers the most of all the specs. So, you know, this one also has the front display. But let's get into this video real quick, man, so I can tear open the box and show you how it went, and then I'm going to take it outside. We're just going to get it on. Let's go. So if you guys have been following me on social media, you know that I was super excited about my Hero Black. I feel like if you're not gonna get the black, no, I'm not gonna say it. If you don't get the black, take it back. That was something I was saying. No, but on the real though, you know, the Hero 7 Black is my first GoPro. I normally used a lot of the off-brand or different brand GoPros. Wow, 40 bucks, and it's just like, this is it. Like, this is a Shorty. This is what I paid for. But I just wanted the GoPro stuff. This is a really short tripod, man. This is nowhere near as long as I thought it was going to be. But I guess that's why it's called the Shorty. So and it feels kind of cheap. Just kind of hollow plastic. This is totally not worth 40 bucks. Yeah. And again, the Shorty is short. It's not very long at all, but it's got the tripod effect to it right here. So I could put it here, and then I could put a video right here, and I can just tilt it up like this and shoot some video. But you know, the GoPro Hero 7 Black is absolutely great, man. I have really enjoyed owning this thing. The software, the stabilization, everything is good, and it's just it's a good look, man. So I want to take this out and show you some footage right now, and hopefully you guys are enjoying yours too. Man, I just can't believe I just paid 40 bucks just to have this, the official GoPro one. It's total ripoff. Sorry, GoPro, but this is a total ripoff, man. This is totally not worth 40 bucks. Hey, that's what I get. Anyway, let's go show you the footage and stabilization that comes from this thing, because it is absolutely awesome. Let's do it. So before I take it outside, I want to just show you my office area. If I was going to use this would actually be a really nice setup for a wide angle. I'm really close to the camera, and the wide angle is really good on here. It really gives you a lot in view. Like, seriously, there's no phone that only the G7 can possibly come close to this. And this camera also has super wide angle, which brings in even more. So if I wanted to shoot something in my office real quick and I didn't want to put up a big deal, use my big tripod, I could sit right here on my desk like I'm doing right now, have the put the GoPro or Shorty on the stick, like put it on the GoPro Shorty, sit it right here and record a full vlog or video or whatever right here, and it'll look just great. You know what I'm saying? This is a 4K at 60 FPS. And I think it just looks awesome to be able to shoot this close. That's the great part about having such a good wide angle. Now, super wide angle is even better. Now, this is super wide. I didn't move the camera at all. I just changed it to 30 frames per second. At 60 frames per second, you can't do super wide for 4K, but you can for 30 frames per second. So this is hot, man. Again, same spot. I know it has like that fisheye bubble look, but I actually like that. Like it looks like you said it. That's really tight, man. This is a good look. This is just going to be really nice if I want to sit right here real quick and do a quick vlog. I'm thinking about upgrading and adding an external mic. I'm just trying to decide which one I want to get because I got to get the GoPro adapter in order to do that. And that's going to be something that I might add on as an addition to get even better quality. But I don't want to make this thing too bulky. You know what I'm saying? I can just edit the sound quality in post, if anything. Anyway, it's your man Jay. Let's go outside. GoPro stop recording. So I'm walking down, there's Teddy, and we're gonna take this thing outside. So this is the GoPro Hero 7. I'm gonna walk around. This is at 4K at 60 FPS. And I think this thing is probably gonna be a little bit better than my own cameras. All these high-powered cameras I got. I think this thing is gonna be better. So I'm actually walking with the 4K at 60 FPS. This is beautiful. It's a beautiful, like, gloomy day out. I really like it. Yeah. Now we're gonna go back down and we're gonna shoot some footage let's switch it over to a different, like, 4K at 30 and see what the difference is. All right, so here's a 4K at 30 frames per second. I'm actually kind of moving kind of fast and like bumping around, but it's actually pretty sweet, man. I think the footage is going to be really nice at 30. Can you even tell? Look at this. This is crazy good footage. Moving around with this thing is really nice. It's gonna be really good for front-facing videos or my car shows is what I'm gonna use it for predominantly. Now let's switch over to 1080p real quick. Now let's do 1440. So at 1440, which is 2.7 at 60 FPS, the stabilization should be really good, man. I mean, it should be just ridiculously nice, and I'm pretty sure it is. Same thing, look at the beautiful sky. And there I am. I like that this has like the timer on the front. Like I can see exactly what it's doing, how much time I got left, what's on my card, everything. This is actually pretty sweet. I'm glad I got the black. There's nothing wrong with not getting the black. You gotta get what's in your budget. This one's gonna run you $3.99, and the other one is $2.99, I believe, and then $1.99. So you do the math of what you want to spend. All right, so this is just a quick closeout. You know what I'm saying? This camera is boss right here. Let's go back up to the office and let's talk about what I like about this thing. I don't know if there's anything that I dislike, but I do have one thing already. So let's talk about it upstairs. Anyway, this is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Yeah. All right, so one cool thing about this camera is you can do live streams from it, and I will test that out in another video. But you just have to set up your live stream information, and obviously I'll probably do YouTube. So that's how I'm gonna rock with that. So you just roll across, you can go to photos, you can go to camera and time lapse. And the application settings is pretty cool, so you can do it from here too. You can control everything from here from the phone, so you don't have to worry about changing it. So you've got super wide and wide, and I like the super wide. I need to test out the super wide. The super wide is actually really sweet because I'm really close to the phone with the camera, and it is like really wide. So I'm gonna leave it on super wide. But you got video stabilization on. You got all these different modes that you can have here. I think this is going to be fun. I'm going to give you an update or whatever on this thing, man. I'm going to change the auto off to, I'll leave it at 15. But anyway, it's your man Jay, man. I'll give you more videos on this, so stay tuned for it. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is my new black. Oh my gosh, man. I'm telling you folks, I'm pumped. This is the way to go. Go black or go back. I'm out.